Today we are going to see about birth openings. So, so the first move will be confusing because we play f4. Why do we play f4? You will ask? Because we can control the e5 square and g5 square. So they play f4. So I play e6. E6. Why do we play e6? The same way, I will control the d5 square and f5 square. But in here, they will control the e5 square and g5 square. So, thank you. So, they play knight f3. We can go controlling these squares, knight e5 and knight d4. Controlling these squares. So, they play d5 for controlling the center. I told no, here we can go. So that is, so they played d4 just like that, controlling the center. So knight c6, giving attack on the pawn, one attack, but they are supporting the pawn only. So they play c3 for supporting the d4 pawn. Sorry, and they play bishop d6 because we can go bishop a3 and bishop e6. We can also go up to here, up to bishop g3 we can go. No, not only up to bishop g3, up to bishop h2 we can go, but this pawn is blocking and this pawn is being in this square, so that is only our problem. So next they play e3 supporting the f4 pawn. It is already support only with the bishop, but it's giving two supporters for the f5 pawn because the f5 pawn will get more pressure. So they play. So I play knight f6. Knight f6 makes suddenly go e4 because e4 is a path to control the center, so you will suddenly keep e5, but we should think and only keep, because sometimes it could be a mistake also. So this is a good move only. Sometimes it can be mistakes. So they played queen a4. This is an inaccuracy because giving the pin like this, it is, I will say it's an inaccuracy. So I unpinned the pin from the queen. So they went b4. This is a mistake because why this is a mistake means I will take here. They will take means I will take it. Like this only happened in the match. So this is a blunder. We can say like that also. But mostly it's a mistake only. So I took the queen for free. So they gave a check. Bishop b5. So I take the bishop. They also took the bishop. So I attack the knight like this, and they took my bishop. So I took their knight also in anger because they also took no. So I also took. Why should I not take like that? So knight a3. Knight a3 is not the best move, I will say, because it will control only one square. We will generally say we should not go in flank files. You will ask, what is flank files? Flank files are a file and h file. If we keep there, if we keep there, the knight will not go many squares. Mostly, if we keep in the h1 and a1 and h8 uh, and a8, only it is not. This is not even best move. If we keep even near h8 itself, it is the best move. But h8 means it is very very bad, I will say, because it will only control two squares. Now this is controlling how much squares do you think? One, two, three, four. Because it's not here. If it's here, it will control only two. But it is here. So it is controlling four squares. So next I castle queen side. Queen side means, because queen side means up to from D it is queen side. And from E it is king side. This is queen side castle. And king side castle means castling to the king side itself. This is called the king side castle, but I castle queen side because giving a battery like this is nice, no. But if the if one more rook comes here means this will be nice. We'll call this Alakan gun. Uh, and knight b5. Here they will go and bishop b6 attacking my knight. And I support the they support the knight with the pawn, and they control the e4. Suddenly the excitement expresses like that we want to control the center in the mind. It will come and we will go, no, like that. We are going like that. So so but we should only think and only go. I tank and I think and only go. Sorry, not tank. Think and only good. So think and only good. So only I go control the center. But I will not. But mostly I will think and only control the center. I if I without thinking I control the center means I will always lose the game. I will say you itself lost the game only. I will say like that only, because we should always think in our mind, what move can we keep, like this we want to think. So only we can play chess interesting itself. And knight e4 controlling the center, and castle gives the king safety, and a6 attacking my knight, and bishop d4 controlling the center, and I take the pawn in c3 with my knight. We call that knight into c3, and a5 attacking the b5 queen, and the queen attacks my pawn, takes my pawn, queen into b4, and I attack their queen, knight c2. So I give check to their king. They attack my knight. So I also attack my knight in anger, because they are attacking. So why should I not attack? Not anger. Like that we'll say, no. This is important means for us means we will attack, no. like that we'll say no. But without thinking we should not attack anything or defense anything. We should not do without thinking. That is the chess concept itself. So they play they played king f2, and they played bishop c3, queen c3. They took my knight. They took my knight. I took their knight, and they blocked the check. Sorry, not I did not play here. This is a blunder. Means I if I play here, sorry. And I played d4, forcing them to attack, but they didn't attack. They straightly pushed their pawn. Like this, I also attacked again, forcing them to attack my pawn. That time also they did not attack. So they played. I played bishop d3, giving check to the king, and king e3. See this attack only. I said forcing them to attack, but they did not even attack it. They simply just attack my queen. Rook c1 and queen b2 is the best move, I will say, because if we need means we can go here, here. No, so I went here. But if we go bishop b3, queen b3 means it will control less squares only here, and here only. So I went queen b3, queen b2, and they played bishop c3, and I checkmate because bishop c3 is a blunder. So I checkmate their king. So we should be careful like this. We should not go fast. So only I will say we should think. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video.